Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add website link to your LinkedIn profile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google LinkedIn, and you need to open LinkedIn and you need to log in into your account on your LinkedIn profile. So once you log in, you simply need to open your account from here. Okay, so once it is open, you simply need to turn on the creator mode. As you can see that my creator mode is turned on. Then you simply need to click on this pencil icon, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see an option to add website. So here you can add any website. So I'm going to add, for example, www.facebook.com. Here you can add the link text. I'm going to add call me here. Click on save. So here you can see that, and let me show you another method. You simply need to scroll, and here you can click on edit contact info, and here you can see website. You can add other websites as well. So this is a process by which you can see that you can easily add any website link to your LinkedIn profile. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.